Hey you! Thanks for stopping by. Let me show you how to make lunch more than just food. Today we're making a viewer request, a very veggie bento. We're starting with cat-shaped rice balls seasoned with salt, chopped greens, and radish. I gave them eyes of nori to keep it a little bit fun. Don't hesitate to chop your greens smaller than I did to keep them unobtrusive. Next, I'm adding quick pickles. The change in texture and addition of vinegar and sesame oil can be all that it might take to start looking at cucumbers just a little differently. For a little bit of extra, I'm adding a small amount of yakisoba. This is an excellent way to make vegetables way more palatable. Almost any vegetable can be used here. I used bok choy and udon noodles. Carrots are also a very good choice, or any other noodle that you have on hand. This dish keeps very well in the fridge, so you can make it ahead for easy mornings. I'm using thin sliced red radish for garnish as it's a good balance against the protein I chose and it looks very pretty. Don't underestimate the power of garnish. These are meatballs I make for bento. The recipe will be coming within the next few weeks. These freeze very well, but if you're short on time, there's nothing wrong with store-bought meatballs. Since this is for a teenage boy, I'm adding a second layer. To this, I'm adding a generous amount of broccoli salad, as this was one of the vegetables listed as well tolerated. It's important to mix new with tried and true to make the experience less intimidating. Little cleanup, and a little more garnish to keep the broccoli salad sauce to itself. A little more protein, and we're done. Thank you so much for your request and your kind words. I love you all. Take care, and I'll see you next time.